And the cheese with. Ready, set, go. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear 18. Happy birthday to you. All right, so today we're gonna bring this is a large board. We're gonna use it as a cutlery board, all right? So this one has two handles here. It's really large for large crowds, all right? And on the bottom, it does have some footings that I put in there. They're those stickers, double-sided adhesive. It has this area where things are not gonna leak out. Now, I'm not gonna put anything on this board. I'm gonna add dishes to make it look, but you could uniform this how you want, all right? So today, we're gonna add a little crackers, a little cheese, and so forth. So let's go ahead and set this up and see how well it works. And this is a large thing. You can use it for meat, fruits, cheese, breakfasts, dinners. Look at that. Take it with you. Really large. So let's put it together. All right, here's the display. Look, this is a large display. So I didn't want to add anything to the wood because I don't want to wash it right now. So I'm going to put these disposable plates. But look at this. This is if you want to have like a party or something. You want to have large hors d'oeuvres and snacks and so forth. This is perfect for any kind of solutions you want to have, like a party or gathering. It's a large, and then of course the best things, you could always pick it up and take it anywhere in the tables that need it. So overall, this is a nice large board that can be used for anything. And here's just an example. We're actually doing a birthday party for someone, and this is what they're gonna see, the first thing they see. So hope you guys enjoy the video.